Sida amuhana welcome tawzari ngasigi share tawzariba product se liquid lipsticks ne ngasigi share tawzariba liquid lipsticks se moigi finish se makhal ani ne ahanwada pura fully matte oiba aduga ani subadana full matte oidaba kharagane hajiki matam sidadi akhoi se mask adum openina I thought liquid lipsticks share tawase that will be a better choice ahanba aigi product se Physicians Formula gi the healthy lip velvet finish ne aduga aigi color sina nourishing plum hai sigi liquid lipstick se this is one of my favorites haidi taiba kanda akhoi gi chin sida dry oibagi feeling though sometimes liquid lipstick se dry oibdo adu du di si sida sung yaw yaw de magi applicator se yam standard oiba doe foot applicator ne aduga pointy head oibasina akhoi gi precise oina yekpa kanda it helps a lot Sigi liquid lipstick se it's very pigmented. One swipe ta mangon da laiba color se I think it's very good payoff. Sigi liquid lip se yam lasting oye haidi 3 to 4 hours ti yam phasana chatle. Aduga akhoi gi lip product ki one of the main problem bleeding tawdo adu di sigi product se da sung taw de. Magi bottle sida mana sida velvet finish in haibase I 100% yaninge because akhone si se apply to wakanda yamna rich oiba nourishing oiba feeling ama piye which is very nice mase application to wada kemta issue laite haidi ma yam phazana glide over the way aduga si se dry down to khanda it gives a very nice feeling on the lips so yam kana matte oiba nataba if you're looking for a liquid lipstick I think sigi Physicians Formula gi velvet finish the healthy lips say I think this is a very good option next aigi product say Huda Beauty gi liquid matte tune aduga aigi ngasi color sina heartbreaker ne Huda Beauty gi si product say when matte and high say I don't agree to it haidi ma say dry down to kanda pura fully matte oibdo adu du di oide magi applicator say yam standard oiba liquid lipstick ki applicator design ne Sigi liquid lipstick se masigi product se it has a very strong vanilla smell aina hana aigi channel the video lipstick swatch to wagida hapchabudune I don't like the smell at all one swipe the sigi product se magi color payoff se it's very pigmented it's very beautiful magi pigmentation se yam phazaye aduga yam glossy oba look ama piye aduga sometimes matte haina hai targadi kitang dry oiba kitang patchy oibagi look to adu du di sigi Huda Beauty product sida sungyaw yaw de it's a very nice product if you don't mind a strong vanilla smell sigi product say dry down to grakanda matte kitang budi oye but it's not 100% matte but kitang glossy oiba look amasu piye sigi Huda Beauty gi lipstick sisu pung mari di I think it lasts very well haidi akoda bleeding to bo khotpa do adu kemta laite just mas matte oidabagi akoina kitang careful oibado adu tu di darkar oye aduga if you're looking for a high pigmented aduga yam phazana payoff pipa liquid lipstick am pam tardi I think sigi Huda Beauty gi liquid matte se it's definitely your choice next aigi product se Oriflame gi the one series to gi lip sensation matte mousse ne aduga aigi ngasi color sina red velvet ne Sigi liquid lipsticks is one of my favorites. I honestly feel Oriflame gi makeup is so much better than their skincare. Sigi Oriflame gi liquid lipstick se mana mention to wodong mas mousse texture amo piye. It's not gloss so oibenate aduga khoi gi standard lipstick ki texture do adu maksunate. It's somewhere in between. Magi applicator se standard oiba liquid lipstick ki applicator design ne. One swipe the magi color payoff sisu I think it's very nice very pigmented sigi liquid lipstick sisu akoina apply to bukanda issue kemta laite haidi patchiness to ba adugumba issue kemta laite and then masu ngasai gi bleeding haidi chai thokpagi issue do adu su kemta laite sigi Oriflame gi products sisu manam kitang di yawe but sigi manam side I think it's tolerable sigi Oriflame gi products se I think it will last 3 hours very easily magi only issues I think especially in summer months that the masi mousse or banana dry down to wakanda kitang kang dabado and especially now that we're wearing a mask and all adana si kitang nungai bidi watle but other than that I think this is also a very good liquid lips next ai product se Wet n Wild gi liquid catsuit series tune aduga ngasi egi color sina live snow picnic hai sigi product se unlike the other three ma se pura fully dry down tawrakanda matte oye Wet n Wild gi catsuit series se it is one of the most affordable and one of the best liquid lipsticks on the market right now aigi ngasigi color se metallic oiba color ne but moi su matte kumba aduga metallic oidaba color range su lakpane magi applicator se smaine kitang slanted oye mathakta aduna I think taibadadi I find this very comfortable sigi product se one swipe ta ngasai gi ahum duga panar di magi color payoff and pigmentation se kitang watle but magi price point si ka yengna taraga di sigi liquid lipstick se there's nothing to complain about haidi ma se akhoina taiba kanda it gives a very good feeling aduga dryness or bagi feeling do adu pi de it lasts for a very long time haidi since masa matte oibanina it lasts longer than velvet gumba aduga mousse ki keno do adudagi di hena it will last longer aduga everyday use ki di I think Wet n Wild gi catsuit series se it's one of the best Wet n Wild gi si catsuit series se it doesn't really have a smell aduga masi cruelty free su oye and I don't actually have anything bad to say about the whole series so I really like Wet n Wild gi catsuit series se just magi keno se ngasai gi color payoff to adu watle haibado adu khatang khakne but I think for the price point adu to di we can compromise a little next aigi product se Milani gi Amore matte lip cream ne aduga ngasi aigi color sina 12 loved ne Milani gi sigi product se this is also one of my favorites haidi si se pura dry down to grokanda fully matte oye aduna summer months and then when you're wearing a mask this is a very good product magi applicator se smaina side tagi kitang thin oye ataibada it gives a very nice precision which I really like sigi product se magi color payoff aduga magi pigmentation se is very high quality sigi product se since ma se dry down to grakanda matte oibanina it will last you for at least 5 to 6 hours yam easy oina adu akhoina taiba kanda akhoigi chinda dryness oibaga aduga kitang krang lawbugi feeling do adu sigi products is sunglai leite I think a liquid lipstick high target this is one of the best that you can find the only thing sigi Milani gi liquid lips se ai opinion de di magi manam jisu ngasai gi Huda Beauty type the vanilla gi manam kitang strong oiba am yawe but in comparison to the Huda Beauty gi manam do si hisna kitang wat le haige aduna I prefer Milani gi sigi liquid lip cream se over Huda Beauty on any day kaigumba payoff yam wangba aduga pigmentation yam high oiba liquid lip ama palm target and which dries down matte I think Milani gi sigi product say this is a very good option haide it will not disappoint you at all so matte oiba na traga fully matte oidaba gi choice today it's all personal but if I had to choose agi favorite say Physicians Formula gi the healthy lip velvet finish this is my favorite because I don't know lips am dry over me gidi I think this will suit much better even though mase fully matte oida taragasu I prefer this because mase dum phazana last the way aduga pura fully matte oiba gi side ta high targadi Milani gi sigi lip cream say this is one of my all time favorites ngasi gidi sida lotion jarage mathangda atopa lipstick amuk ai khara share to jarage thank you Bye.